Across Africa, we've been the world's raw material factory. Nigeria pumps 2 million barrels of crude oil a day, but refines less than 5%. Angola ships out crude to Houston and gets petrol back in dollars. Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire grow 70% of the world's cocoa, but capture less than 5% of this $100 billion chocolate boom. Congo mines cobalt and copper for your phones, and then shipped to China. Zambia does the same with copper. They export it to Rotterdam, Shenzhen, and Antwerp. They convert it into fuel, chocolates, batteries, and wires before selling it back to us at higher prices in foreign currency. That's how we've lost trillions over decades. We built the mines and farms, but never the factories. But now, the game has flipped. The new crude is data. The new refinery, GPUs. We are done exporting raw materials. Now we are exporting AI computing power. We've been building quietly a 5-layer AI empire, and it's already working. Stick with me till the end of this video as we unravel this empire together, layer by layer. First, the engine. In August 2025, Alex Sado, a former NVIDIA engineer, established the Africa GPU Hub in Lagos to provide affordable and accessible GPU power for AI development across the continent. The hub rents out GPUs to developers, startups, and research institutions at competitive prices, reportedly less than $1 per hour. That's 80% less than AWS, which rents GPUs for $3 to $5 per hour. Do you understand what this means? This means a startup in Yaba can train an AI model faster than a company in San Francisco and pay in Naira. That is absolutely incredible. The next layer is the warehouse. In July 2025, MTN dropped $235 million on West Africa's largest data center, Tier 3, designed for AI workloads. This eliminates the need to send data to America, pay in dollars, or wait for latency. Everything stays here and is priced in Naira. That is sovereignty, no external interference. Layer 3, the models. In November of 2025, Cassava Technologies, the company founded by billionaire Strive Masiyiwa, launched KMEX. Think of it like Jumia for AI. You get OpenAI, Google Gemini, and Anthropic Claude. No telco needs to build their own AI. They simply rent it. The models are hosted locally in African data centers, ensuring that the data never leaves the continent. That's power. Layer 4 is you. In October 2025, OpenAI dropped ChatGPT Go in Nigeria. With 7,000 Naira a month, you can access the full GPT-5 model, including image generation and file analysis. From logo design in Computer Village to code writing for students and rainfall predictions for farmers, millions of Africans now have super intelligence in their pockets for less than the price of 2 plates of jollof rice. And the final layer, connectivity. Cassava Technologies is putting together a big AI setup in Africa. We are talking 110,000 kilometers of fiber in 20 countries, which means they can do 5G, edge computing, and super fast connections. Strive Masiyiwa, the guy who also built Econets, is making sure that the whole thing is African owned and already up and running. Plus, Cassava teamed up with NVIDIA to drop $720 million on Africa's first AI factory in October of 2025. They are throwing in 12,000 GPU supercomputers across South Africa, Egypt, Nigeria, Kenya, and Morocco. It's a serious investment for a company that's a big deal in the AI world. Check this out. The company that powers ChatGPT, Tesla, Meta just bet big on Africa. The same month, KMEX launches and OpenAI drops ChatGPT Go. This is not random. This is orchestrated. Sado wasn't joking when he said, "We are not repeating oil, and GPUs are the new refineries." He's training Nigeria engineers to design chips. In 3 years, Nigeria could be selling African-made AI chips. Let me break this down even further. More users means more data, which leads to better local models. Cheaper compute means more startups, which leads to more investment. By 2030, Africa's AI market will reach $15 billion, creating 50,000 high-paying jobs. Nigeria will be exporting AI models to Europe, reversing historical trade dynamics. This, my people, is Africa's iPhone moment. Apple didn't invent the chip or build the cloud, but they controlled the stack. Like Apple, which controlled the stack without inventing the underlying technology, Africa now possesses the essential components: GPUs, data centers, models, users, and the network. The future isn't coming to Africa. Africa is building the future. If you thought AI was a Silicon Valley thing, you just got schooled. If you enjoyed this video and believe in the empire Africa is building, leave a comment and subscribe for more updates like this.